Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for future videos. Thank you.
So I had a client. I had a few clients that got approved for between $25 to $50,000 business line of credit, and the question came up is, what do I do with the money now? So they set the business up and they got approved for the business line of credit, but they didn't even know what to do with the money. So I just thought I'll make a video to show you how you actually can make the money work for you. So if you don't know what to do with the money, depending on what you like to do, there's sites like Wholesale Central. Like you can go here and you can buy products and sell. You can have products and sell. You can even set it up as a drop shipping, but you buy the products and then you can sell those products online. Or if you like going to swap meets and stuff, or selling them on at swap meets. But they have a lot of stuff that you can buy. Different type of products that you can buy on a website like this. So you buy them wholesale and then you reselling them, and you still can buy products that are already been marketed, heavily marketed, and then you just reaping the benefits from their marketing. So you can do products that are like on as seen on TV, right? So products that the infomercials that you see, so you're able to go to a site like this and buy those products yourself and then resell them because they done all the marketing for you. So to make it easier for you. Okay. Another thing you can do if you have get qualified when you get qualified for your business line of credit, and say that you need transportation for your business. Whether you're driving for Uber or Hertz, or you're having a delivery type of business, you need transportation, right? So if you need transportation and you just want to lease the vehicle, you can write up a contract through your corporation that the people that you're leasing the vehicle from, they're going to be leasing it to the corporation instead of you. So you can go to websites like Swap a Lease. So that way it's not affecting your personal credit, but Swap a Lease. And so you can take over other people's leases. Also, you can ask them if they mind paying a few months of the lease up for you. If they're desperate to get out of the lease, most of the time they don't mind paying a few months up for you. So that way, hey, if you get 2 months ahead by them paying for the lease, and you're still able to take it over, and you can negotiate them having the vehicle leased to your corporation, so you're in a win-win situation. All right. And so, like I said, if you're driving for Uber, Lyft, or you want a bigger luxury type of vehicle like a Cadillac Escalade or something like that, then here's another website you may want to take out. It's called leasetrader.com. And again, all over the country, you can tell them what models and stuff you like that. But again, find people that, hey, they're trying to get out of their lease. They're tired of the vehicle. It may not be for them, but that, hey, I can use that size vehicle. Again, asking them, do you mind, paying a month payment? I'll take over the lease if you don't mind taking a month of payment. Sometimes they'll do it because they want to get out of the lease. So you have that advantage. All right. Also, you have a business line of credit, then you can also go here to a website like a Dash Hub where you can bid on vehicles and stuff like that. So, you can bid on vehicles, you win the vehicle, then you can transfer that vehicle over to your corporation. So you're not just having to worry about your dinging your personal credit and stuff, because you're using your business line of credit to buy the vehicle because it's going to be a benefit to your business. Now, for those of you that may consider getting into real estate investing, I always tell people, if you're going to get into real estate investing, go to this website, reiclub.com, realestateinvestingclub.com, because they teach you everything about real estate investing. Also, in your local area, you can find also in your local area, you can find real estate investment clubs that you can join. And hey, if you're going in with $25,000, $50,000, you may can partner up with somebody. You may can partner up with somebody to buy a bigger piece of property. But say that you're just a newbie and you're starting out, you can go to realtor.com, and find areas that have, that may have some houses that are dilapidated, but they're off to themselves. You make, again, this here house, they want $5,000 for. If you got a $50,000 business line of credit, you probably need to put about $15,000, $20,000 in it. But at the same time, you putting $15,000, $20,000 in it, knowing that the market is probably going to bring you back 50 to 60,000. And then instead of you just re-renting that house out, make it a lease with an option to buy, so that way you can get a bigger down payment. So that $5,000 you to pay for the property, they'll pay you that back. Plus, you're charging them a monthly fee for the rent that house, and then you can negotiate your terms how you want to, but at least you own the property and you're making money up front. Plus, you're making residual income off of the property. So this is some of the things that if you had a business line of credit of $25,000, $50,000, why not? Also, here's another website. This website is called cityfeet.com. And so we're back in Arkansas, and look at this. This here property, they want $8,900 for it, right? So you're buying this property for $8,900 cash. So it, of course, is going to need some rehab, but look at it. It doesn't look that bad. So you can get away with a lot of things. You probably spent about $10,000 to get it up to par. But again, looking at what the markets are, this type of house that looks this good, hey, you probably can get away with it. Get away with getting at least $50,000, $60,000 out of the property. So you have some advantages if you have a business line of credit. And of course, the more you use the business line of credit and the better you are at paying it back, then the more money they're going to give you. And they won't be looking at your personal credit. They'll actually start looking at how you manage in the business line of credit and your in the financial statements for the business, right? Also, say that you just want to buy some land, you just really want to buy some land, then you can go over to BS4 Assets. A lot of people are not aware of this website. You can go over to BS4 Asset. They have government land. So they have a whole list of things that you can buy from BS4 Assets, that you can actually just buy land. You can actually buy like gold, like bank-owned properties and stuff like that. So they'll give you a list of like bank-owned property. This is in Flint, Michigan, Wisconsin, 11,000. Some of these you have to bid on some of them, but some of them you can just pay out cash. So like in Flint, Michigan, they want $11,900 for this property. But at the same time, they're just bidding on it. But sometimes you can probably negotiate a cash deal where you're actually just buying the property out cash, right? So like I said, so many things you can do with your business line of credit. Or you can go over to, if you want to buy a business, you want to buy an established business, you can go to bizbuysell.com. If you go here, then you can put in, hey, I want to spend up to $100,000, or I want to spend up to $50,000. So it'll give you a list of businesses that are already, look at this one, turnkey shaved ice business that you can buy, and it's already net cash flowing about $13,000. So if it's cash flowing about $13,000, more likely you're going to make revenue off of it. So you have these options. And so say that you don't want a brick and mortar type of business. You want an online business. So you may want to go over to Flipper.com. And here you can look at the different websites and stuff for sale. Things that you know that pretty much sell, like this website. They want it's only been one bid, but it's $500 for the website, right? But at the same time, look, it's bringing in $240 a month. So you know that they're getting traffic to it. Also, they probably have an email list as well. So by them having an email list, you will take over that email list, and then you're able to offer your email list of customers other products that you can make money off of. So you have all of these options that you can do once you have a business line of credit. And like I said, some banks, they offer you 25, some banks offer you 50. I always tell people, if you don't want them all in your business, then I would go for the, I would try to keep it under about 40,000. That way you don't have to present business taxes. Okay.